Hello everyone, I am going to explain question number first from exercise 3.2. Now in this question we have to divide fx by gx, and after dividing fx by gx we have to write down the quotient and remainder. So here today we are going to divide fx polynomial by gx polynomial. So you are going to understand the division of the polynomials. So for it the first step is we have to write down the given polynomial in descending order of their power. Descending means bigger to smaller. So we have to arrange the polynomial in descending order of their power. So we have to find out the variable's biggest power, that is 3x cube only, and then 3x cube, sorry, and then the smaller is x square, then 2x, then 5. So it is already arranged in the descending order of powers of variables, so there is no change. But you just see in the gx, the highest powers variable is x square, so we will write down it in front, x square. Then after that power, here nothing is there, means 1, so we will write here 2x. Then in the last you have to write down the constant. So the step 1 is you have to arrange the polynomial in descending order of the power of variables. Now we will start the division process. So for that we make the division symbol. So it's going to be like this. So we are dividing fx by gx. So it's going to be gx we write here, that is x square plus 2x plus 1, and fx is right here, that is 3x square plus 3x cube so here 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5. Now here students you have to write down the step 1, step 2, step 3 like this. So step 1. In step 1, what is going to be the quotient here? For that we have to divide the first term of fx polynomial is 3x cube, and the first term of gx polynomial is x square. So this 3x cube just divide by x square here. So that will give you the quotient, first term. So it is going to be 3x cube divided by x square. So when you will divide it, it is going to be only 3x. So in the quotient just write down 3x. So I hope it's clear to you. So what we had done is, in step 1 the first term of fx and first term of gx we wrote here and we divided. So x square cancelled by x cube, only x remains. So answer is 3x. So this 3x you just write down in quotient. So the first term of quotient is only 3x. Now what we have to do is, by this 3x you have to multiply this complete equation. So 3x multiplied by x square. So when you will multiply this you will get 3x cube. So we write here 3x cube. Then this 3x you have to multiply by 2x. So it's going to be 3 to the 6 x square. X into x is x square. So 2x multiplied by 3x is 6x square. Now what sign? Plus into plus is plus. So you will get plus 6x square. So arrange the x square term under x square only. So you will get here plus 6x square. Now you have to multiply this 3x by 1. So 3x multiplied by 1 is 3x. So we write here plus 3x. So we will get here plus 3x. Then we have to do sign change. So whatever sign this polynomial has, is opposite of that plus change to minus, and this plus change to minus, and this plus also will change to minus. So students, this is the process of division of a polynomial. The steps are, the first term, first step is you have to divide the first term by the first term of gx. Whatever answer will come, that answer you have to write down in the quotient, and the quotient whatever you obtain, that is 3x. So 3x you have to multiply by all the 3 terms of gx. So first 3x multiplied by x square, then again 3x multiplied by 2x, then again you have to multiply 3x by 1. And whatever answers are obtaining, you have to arrange with the like terms. Like terms means if we are obtaining x cube term, then arrange under x cube. If you are obtaining x squared term, arrange under x square. And if you are obtaining x term, then arrange under the x. So these are named as like terms, means same variable, same power. So arrange column wise. After arranging the product in the column wise, whatever down polynomial you obtain, you have to reverse its sign. So if you have plus sign, then plus will change to minus. Like this you have to change the sign of all the terms. Now we have to do plus minus. So there is nothing, means it's plus sign. And so that's plus minus minus. So when 3x cube subtracted from 3x cube is 0. In the same way, plus minus minus, so we have to do minus here. Which plus I am talking about? This plus. So this plus and now minus, because 6 sign is now minus. It's not of plus, so it's of minus only. So plus minus we have to do minus and sign of big number. So here nothing is there, means 1. So 6 minus 1 is 5. So it's going to be here minus 5x square. In the same way here we obtain minus 1x plus 5. So what we have done here is we have subtracted plus 2 and minus 3. So plus 2 minus 3 is minus 1 and 5 as it is. So it's now first step is completed. Now in step second, the first term is minus 5x square and here the first term is x square. So first term will divide by the first term. So in here we will write down step second. In step second, minus 5x square we have to divide by x square. So answer is going to be minus 5. So in question we will write here minus 5. Now, so I hope it's clear to you. The first is minus 5x square and here the first term is x square. So we divided. So x square cut by x square, what is remained here? Minus 5. So this minus 5 I wrote here. Now this minus 5 you have to multiply by all 3. So minus 5 multiplied by x square. So it's going to be minus 5x square. So we write here minus 5x square. In the same way, minus 5 multiplied by 2x. So plus minus minus and 5 2s are 10. So it's going to be minus 10x. So we write here minus 10x. In the same way, minus 5 multiplied by plus 1 is minus 5. So minus 5. Now down fraction sign change we have to do. Minus change to plus. This minus also change to plus and minus change to plus. So plus minus minus, so it's 0 and it's going to be here students. You see its sign is minus and this 5 sign is plus. So plus minus minus, same number minus same number is 0. Now it have minus sign and this 10 have plus sign. So minus plus we have to do minus and sign of big number. So 10 minus 1 is 9 and it's going to be here plus 9x. Now here it's also plus and here also plus. So plus plus we have to do plus. So 5 plus 5 is 10 and sign is also plus. So it's going to be here plus 10. So students, here you just see the first term is 9x and here the first term is x square. Now this x square's power is more than 9x, means you not have to further divide it. So how you will realize that you not have to divide further? That you have to check the reminder's power. If reminder's degree is highest power of the variable is less than the degree of the gx means this polynomial which is given to you, that you not have to divide it further. That's the end of your division. So what is your question? So this is your question, that is 3x minus 5 is question and 9x plus 10 is the remainder. So we will write here which implies quotient is 3x minus 5 and remainder is 9x plus 10. So I hope this is clear to you, division is clear to you. So in the same way, I had done only the first part. I request from you all that do all the remaining parts, and if in any part you are facing the problem, then in the comment just write down that explain first questions, first part, second part, third part, then I will upload that videos. Thank you.